Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So let me quickly take you through how to force quit applications on MacBook running macOS 26.5.2. So first way of doing it is to click the Apple icon at the top left corner and select force quit. That will bring up the force quit applications pop-up window. Select the application you wish to quit and then click the force quit option. Click force quit again, and that would successfully quit the application for you. Alternatively, you can press the key combinations, the command option and escape keys together. Press them together, and that would also bring up the force quit applications pop-up window. Again, select the application you want to quit. Select the force quit option down there. Click the force quit again, and that would also quit the application on your MacBook. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.